I'm just making a quick video to show you, once you've taken a test in ALEKS, if you want to find out how you did and go back and review it. When you finish the test, you can look at a report, but you can always go back in and look at it again. So to do that, you go to your home page when you first log in, or if you're somewhere else, you can always click home up here. So this is what we call the menu. They call it the hamburger. But to find it, so go there, go to the menu, the hamburger, go to assignments, then scroll down to the bottom. So this is all the assignments. This is all the different tests that you might be taking. If you're in a regular ALEKS class and not just using ALEKS for testing, there'll be a whole lot more in here probably that your teacher's given you. When you go down to the bottom, it shows the ones that you've already taken. Anything blue is a hyperlink. So this over here, I can click on that and it will take me back to that test. So as a student, I took a test and I did pitifully. I only got 5%. This green one, that means I got it right. So that's the one problem I got right. So now I can go through each question, and if it's orange or red, whatever that looks like with the X on it, those are the ones I didn't get correct. And if I go through and look at it, it shows my answer and then it shows the correct answer. So I can use this to go back, and I don't know what this is. Explanation. Always click on things if you don't know what they are. So if I want an explanation of how to actually do that problem, it takes me through step by step for each problem. So if you have taken a test in ALEKS and need to restudy, this is a great way to go about it. You go through and do each one. What I encourage people to do when you look at a test and that you're retaking, if you can figure out, and hopefully you maybe even have notes of how you got this answer and then the correct answer, then when you go look at the explanation, you can see where your thinking went wrong, because you can compare what you were thinking from your notes, from what the work you did, to what the explanation is. One thing to be cautious of is sometimes explanations will kind of come from a different perspective or use a different method than your instructor used. That doesn't mean you have to learn a new way of doing it. Just write down what the topic is, and then you can even Google not solutions, but Google like videos on that topic. So on this one, I would Google unit rate, because that's what I'm supposed to be finding. On this one, I'm just looking at some of them randomly. Proportional. So I would Google determining whether pairs of numbers are proportional and then look in videos. So you can get some extra help there, or you can go to, I'm trying to go to Blackboard here. You can go to Blackboard. This is mine. If you go down to My Organizations, Math Prep and Learning Lab, when you log in, over here on the side, if you go down here, are all the topics for the different tests. So here's the ratios, rates, and proportions. There's also percents, which is on this test. If you go to worksheets, all of the worksheets that you would pick up in the Math Prep and Learning Lab are right there. So you can open, like that one I didn't do, it was unit rate.